सैलरी 30,000 रुपए के अराउंड होती है। एक एक लाख रुपए के स्मार्टफोन्स खरीदना बाय द वे 3 महीने की मेहनत एक फोन में 2019 में जहां एप्पल का प्रॉफिट 260 करोड़ के अराउंड था, 2020 में 926 करोड़ हुए, 2021 में 1200 करोड़। एप्पल ने भी थोड़ी चीजें करी अपनी साइड से और इंडिया ने मेड इन इंडिया ने आईफोन्स को एक काफी बड़ा boost दिया। जब आईफोन्स दूसरे कंट्री से इम्पोर्टेड लग जाती थी जिससे 20% से 80,000 के फोन पे 20% का टैक्स लगा तो अराउंड 1 लाख करीब। 2017 में आईफोन इंडिया में बनने लगे तो इम्पोर्ट का चक्कर एकदम खत्म कर
హలో రోహిత్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ దాకా అయింది?
ఆపరేటర్స్ చెప్పారు.
మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఏమో ఉన్నాం కదా, గ్యారెంటీ కాదు. ఇదే అనుకుంటా స్ట్రిక్ వర్క్ ఏమో ఇప్పుడు మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్ ఇన్ అండ్ నాట్ ఇన్ చాలా 1 వీక్ గ్యాప్ వచ్చిందా. నేను రిక్యాప్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఆల్రెడీ కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉంది కాబట్టి. హలో
ఓకే.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి ఏముంది, ఐడెంటిటీ ఆపరేటరా. సరే ఒక్కటి నేను స్ట్రింగ్ చెప్పినట్టున్నా. సరే నేను ఇంకోటి చెప్పండి ట్రై చేస్తాను. List. Suppose if you have one list, 10, 20, 30, Python 6.0 like to combination of some other inputs. From this I need print 10 in MSG, 10 in MSG. So as per our things in true if the value is found in the sequence. If the sequence we have to find, that will be true. In a list is nothing but a sequence. In this sequence 10 is there. It is true or false then. In the sequence we have, it is true. We have the value. Same way if you take print 100 in MSC. Now this 100 is not there in the sequence. Anywhere in this list sequence it is not there, it goes to a false. It is not found in the sequence, will get a false case. This is a false one. This is the thing in the last class we have discussed. These are very important with the list. It's about thing. Next we have, if you take like same like dictionary, is applicable or not for the dictionary. So first I'm taking like one string. Hello world. Y equals to dictionary of 1 colon A, comma 2 colon B, 2 column B. Print H. Print H in X. Is true or false then? True or false?
True.
Okay, fine. It is so. True. Okay. Same way, if I go with hello in X, true or false? Is it true or false? Huh?
True.
False.
False. Capital.
Mm, it is false because of that issue. Now print 1 in Y. Now what will be the answer here? Dictionary we have key and value pair. Hmm?
True.
True. Because 1 is a key, we are visible, it is true. Okay, fine. Answer is true. Print A in Y. Now what will the answer?
True.
True. Let's see.
False.
For dictionary, in will check only for the keys, not for the value.
Okay.
That's the thing we need to remember. I will make the point also for this thing. Example with a dictionary. Note point in a dictionary. In a dictionary, we can only test for presence key, presence of key. You can test only for presence of key, not for the value. You can test only for the keys, not for the value. That's the thing you need to remember for the dictionary. Clear?
Yes, bro.
Next. Next, I'll go move with the identity operator. Any idea?
It is used to compare
Mm.
memory addresses of objects.
Yeah, that's it. For a variables or objects. Mm. They are used to check two values or variables are located located on the same part of the memory. Nothing but they are pointing to the same memory. They are pointing to same memory. Nothing but identity operators compares the memory locations of two objects. Compare the two objects and we have whatever keywords we have here.
Easy is not.
Yeah, is is not. Only two is and is not. We'll see about the meaning operator meaning. Is true if the operands can be variable or it can be a value or identical. Identical means finding both are the same. Next is not true if the operands are not identical. Operands are not identical.
Identical.
I will say example. A equals to 10, B equals to 10. Both are same memory locations. Am I right?
Yes, bro.
Now I'm writing A is B. See,
True.
by seeing the value, you are saying that they are true. Before that, we have one function called ID. It prints the address. Am I right?
Yes, bro.
See, both are pointing to same address. Both are pointing to
Same address.
same address. Clear?
Yes, bro.
Same address. Output is not true. Both A and B are pointing to
Same addresses.
same value. Both A comma B are pointing to same objects. Object value nothing but 10. They pointing to 10. Suppose A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now A is B. The box are
False.
not different. If you want to check, you can check. There is an address ID. See, both are having different
Different addresses.
different addresses. They're not pointing to same memory locations. To show the memory locations, we have the only one proof called address proof ID. The false A and B are not pointing to same object value. They are 10 comma 20. They're not same 10 comma 20. This is talks about memory is not wasting. If we are Python will say the memory is utilized based on the requirements only. Your dynamic memory locations, these all things comes from the like this. If you see both variables are same. Same means they shares only one memory. One memory is given to both the variables. And coming here, it stores the different. Stores the different.
Different.
We have some doubt. Suppose, suppose, if I declare first A is pointing to 10. Okay. Next I'm declaring a B equals to 10. Now it's pointing here. Okay, fine. Next step, I want to send like B equals to 20. Now this memory is utilizes or different memory is going to be created.
Different memory.
That's the question of the second one. See, second one A equals to 10 is using this memory. B is changing. Suppose if you see A equals to 10. ID of A. The IDs are B equals to 20. B equals to 10. Assume B equals to 10. ID of now see, as per my example diagram, both are pointing to same address. Both are pointing to
Same
same address.
address.
Suppose if I change the B equals to 20, now that link will be gone and it will get a new link. Now this link will be cutted. This link will be cutted and it creates a different memory and it points to that and it points to that memory and it goes with the value 20.
20.
And if you have different see my example clear now.
Yes, bro.
That's the thing. That's the thing here happen. Next example. In this case, if I keep not is, it will become true. Am I right?
Yes, bro.
A equals to 10, B equals to 20, A is not B.
True.
Now it becomes true. Because they are not pointing to same, yes, we are keeping that not. Here true, both A comma B are not both A and B are pointing to different object value. So pointing to different object
Object
value.
values.
Now comes to value true and false. It's giving only true and false. If apply for boolean, what will happen then? B equals to true, A equals to true, B equals to false. Hmm. Now I want to see A is B, true or false. This is true or false.
False.
Why? Both data are different.
Yes, bro.
Both are not pointing to same.
Same.
Now if you keep A is not B, now it will true.
True.
Because it is not based on true and false, based on the values. Example with boolean.
Boolean.
If you want to know more, you can go with printing the IDs also. Like ID of A, ID of B. Both are points to different
Different addresses.
different addresses or different memories and things. That's it. Okay. Suppose if you go with a string, you go with a string. I want to go with some examples with string. Okay. A equals to like Python, B equals to Python, A equals to and B equals to Python. Now at the starting time only I'm printing the IDs because we already know both are same. Now A is B are true or false.
True.
A is not B,
False.
false. And remember, if you change with capital P, that will change to difference. That makes you different address now. Both are not same.
Yes, bro.
That's the thing you need to remember. And here is not are equals to address comparison. Am I right?
Yes, bro.
Is is and is not are used to address comparison because we have one interview question. Okay. But interviewer asks what is equals to and not equals to. Mm. This is the interview question. Is not and equal to or not equals to there are or is and double equals to what is the difference there? Is nothing but used for address comparison. We already know. What equal to use? This is a relational operator, am I right?
Yes, bro.
Relational operator used for comparisons. Comparisons of what? Data, value. Comparisons of value. That's the difference. It talks about locations, nothing but address. It talks about data
Data.
are used for value
Values.
or
Data.
data comparison.
Comparison.
And these are nothing but a relational operator or conditional operator. These are nothing but our relational operator. That's the difference. One of the interview question we can remember is not just comparing with address, not with the data. They compare with the addresses.
Address.
Compare with the addresses. And equals to compares with the data. Compares with the data.
Data.
That's the thing you need to remember. Clear? Any doubt?
Clear, bro.
Okay. Next, we have ternary operator. Any idea on it? In the Python a ternary operator.
Yes, bro.
Mm. In C, you know, they call this is called ternary operator. Here, any idea with the ternary operator?
No, bro.
Okay. This operator is also called as conditional operators. We can also call conditional operator also ternary. Ternary operator is also known as conditional because we need to do some conditions. Conditional expression. Expression. This is also called as conditional expressions. And conditional expressions, conditional expressions are operator that evaluates something based on a condition. As the name itself means, condition being true or false. Same like if only, nothing is there. Same like if, but we need to know syntax. We have a syntax, syntax, variable name equals to first value, if condition else second value. I'll explain. Do not if condition else second condition. What is here? if condition is true, suppose this condition is true, assume that that condition is true. The condition is true, then first value. If this condition is true, this first value will assign to this variable. Will be consider will be considered. Else second value. The condition is false, second value will be considered. క్లియరా అర్థమైందా సింటాక్స్
Yes, bro.
కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే
True అయితే
ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ
first value,
ఫాల్స్ అయితే సెకండ్
second
వాల్యూ
value.
విల్ సీ సమ్ స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ like a equals to 10, b equals to 20, equals 10, b equals 20. Now I given z equals to like 30, 30 if a is greater than b, else I am given 40, else I am given 40.
40,
Fine. First, what is the condition? This is a condition. Condition A is greater than B. What is A? 10.
10,
B is 20. Condition true or false?
false,
False. False means it goes to else.
40,
You need to get like 40. Okay, we'll
40.
see. That's the thing. Clear? Any doubt?
Clear, bro.
Next are some operator precedences. Any idea? Operator precedences in Python. Precedence is nothing but like priority. We need to follow some priority, which is should be executed, which is not should be executed, like some priority. First priority in Python will give for brackets. We'll give about first priority to brackets. This we call parenthesis here.
Parenthesis.
Call here parenthesis. Second. Second priority
Exponential.
will give for exponent. Second priority will give for exponent. Exponential operator. Third priority we give for negation and minus. Negation and minus are third. This is nothing but bitwise bitwise complement. Bitwise complement and unary minus. I discussed this also. గుర్తుందా?
Yes, bro.
Fourth priority we need to give for multiplication,
Division.
division, right?
Floor is floor division.
Division, multiplication, yeah, floor division. These are the multiplication, division, modulo, and floor division. These are the names for that. Fifth one, next priority will go for plus and minus.
Minus.
What? Addition and subtraction. Sixth, sixth priority we have left shift and right shift. Left and right shifts. Left and right shifts operators. Seventh one. Seventh one. Seventh one we have and. Eighth one we have exclusive or. Ninth one you have or. Tenth one you have. I'm not writing the operator name. This one you have relational operators. Not equals to. Yeah. Next 12th one we have like shortcuts like equals to and plus equals to minus equals to like multiplication equals to exponent equals to the other things. 12th one we have is and is not. 13th one we have in not in. These are the special operators in Python. Very very important for us. 14th one not. 15th one 15th one is and
Or
16th one is or. These are the operators we have some priorities. Based on the priorities, our compiler is going to be executed, and just for not completely remember, just we have some idea. Just for an idea, I have mentioned this one. Clear?
yes, bro.
This priority is how we are going to be do, what expressions we are going to be calculated. That I will discuss on tomorrow class.
Okay,
After that, they should do the recap of the things
okay, bro.
and they should do the practice. One doubts ఉన్నాయా?
ఏం లేదు bro.
లేదు ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఈ రోజు నుంచి మాక్సిమం రెగ్యులర్గానే జరుగుతుంది మీకు.
ఓకే బ్రో.
ఎక్కడ నేనైతే బ్రేక్స్ అయితే ఏం జరుగుతుంది. ఆపరేటర్స్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా జస్ట్ కొన్ని హోంవర్క్స్ ఇస్తాను. మంచిగా